Hi everyone, so today I thought I would let you see me making my granola, which I make weekly, and it does me for the week. So in this bowl I have normal porridge oats. I have saved some time by cutting up some apricots and walnuts. So you can use whatever dried fruit you want. Could be cranberries, could be raisins, whatever you want. I thought I had more walnuts than I had, so I'm going to be a bit low on the nuts. And again, you can use any nuts you want. So just mix that all in. Then you need some cinnamon. You want to have your oven on. Better do that now. So put your oven at about 140. Get it ready. Then your cinnamon, it depends how you like cinnamon. I quite like cinnamon and it is quite good for you. So you can put a teaspoon, or I tend to put a tablespoon in, sprinkle it in, mix it up. So I'm living in Turkey at the minute, so this is why I'm dressed as I am, because it's pretty hot here at the minute, which is nice. I can't complain because obviously I'm not dealing with the rain back in the UK, but sometimes it gets pretty hot. So sprinkle in just less than a tablespoon of salt. Again, you can leave that out if you want. It makes it quite nice, I think. And normally you use vanilla essence, but I struggle to get that in Turkey. Sometimes they have it, but not very often. So this is the next best thing, which is vanilla sugar, which probably isn't as healthy as the vanilla essence. So just a little bit of that, mix it in. Then you are going to fill half a cup of olive oil. About enough. Put that in, mix it all up. And then the last ingredient is honey. So this is pine honey. Sometimes here you can get flower honey, whatever honey you want to use. Or you could use maple syrup. You could use the Algarve syrup, which again I struggle to get here. I'd rather use that, to be honest. But you've got to get what you can. So mix that in and it'll become kind of wet. And then add the honey. And I just kind of drop a bit in. And you may need to add more to see how sticky it is. Mix it all through. And then you're going to put it on a baking tray. So you're going to spread it all out. It only takes like about 15 minutes to do this, and that's your breakfast for the week. Normally I have it with some fruit and yogurt and then sprinkle of granola. Push it all down so it's flat and spread out on the tray. Then you're going to put that in the oven for 10 to 12 minutes at about 140. And then after 10 to 12 minutes, take it out. Sprinkle a wee bit of coconut on if you like coconut. Put it back in for about 6 to 8 minutes, just till the coconut browns. And then you'll have a delicious breakfast and pretty healthy if you can get the right ingredients. As I say, I'm sure this sugar vanilla isn't the best, but you've got to deal with what you can. So I hope you enjoyed that. I'll put the recipe in the link so that you know what it's about, and I'll try and do more of these little videos. So enjoy the rest of your day. That's me set up for the week for my breakfast. Bye for now.